In this video we will see how to remove a payment method on the Google Cloud. So guys, if you want to remove the payment method on the Google Cloud, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you simply go to the profile, okay, in your Google Cloud. First of all you log in with your credentials. After login guys, at the left top corner there is your profile icon. You just click it. After that click the option of your profile. Okay, now click here, then go to the option of setting profile. In the profile guys, here you see the option of subscription, current subscription and subscription start date. Then go and click the option of manage subscription. In the manage subscription guys, here you see the option of change subscription plan, manage email preferences. Now when I go here, so my subscription plan is through my Jio network, so currently that is why it not show any payment method. Okay, but in your case, if you are paid through the credit card and debit card and any other payment method, so it shows here. So you simply go here and check your plan, and if you want to remove the payment method, so you select and removed. Okay, so this is the simple way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations. I hope this video is very helpful for you.